Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Sunday, May 23rd, 2021. It is 10:39 and 20 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, radioactive elements. So let's hop to it here. Alien radioactive element prompts creation rethink. Date May 18, 2021. Source, Australian National University. The first ever discovery of an extraterrestrial radioactive isotope on Earth has scientists rethinking the origins of the elements on our planet. The tiny traces of plutonium-244 were found in ocean crust, alongside radioactive iron-60. The two isotopes are evidence of violent cosmic events in the vicinity of Earth millions of years ago. Star explosions or supernova create many of the heavy elements in the periodic table, including those vital for human life, such as iron, potassium, and iodine. To form even heavier elements, such as gold, uranium, and plutonium, it was thought that a more violent event may be needed, such as two neutron stars merging. Researchers suggest a more complex picture. The story is complicated. Possibly this plutonium-244 was produced in supernova explosions, or it could be left over from a much older but even more spectacular event, such as a neutron star detonation. Any plutonium-244 and iron-60 that existed when the Earth formed from interstellar gas and dust over 4 billion years ago has long since decayed. So current traces of them must have originated from recent cosmic events in space. The dating of the sample confirms 2 or more supernova explosions occurred near Earth. The research data could be the first evidence that supernova do indeed produce plutonium-244. Or perhaps it was already in the interstellar medium before the supernova went off, and it was pushed across the solar system together with the supernova ejecta. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on space engineering, computer science, and astrophysics. Well, this video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.